Hey everyone, this is Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures, and welcome to my presentation, How to Make Money Online with No Experience Needed. On today's agenda, we're going to cover what business model do I use, what exact method do I use, and who taught me this method. Make sure to stay till the end because you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision, plus I also have a special free gift for you. Alright, so who am I and why should you listen to me? So my name is Jack Miller, and I've been working from home and making money online for the past 4 years. A while back, I was hit with some nasty health complications, and that was the turning point that made me look for ways to make money online. In my struggles, I tried various business models. Some of them worked, and some of them did not. But luckily for me, I was able to make enough money to support myself and my medical expenses. All from just a laptop and an internet connection. I was so inspired by my experience that I decided to start Jack's Digital Ventures. So, if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. Just a quick disclaimer. So I am an affiliate, so that means if you buy a course from any of my affiliate links in the pinned comment below, then I will make a commission. This is at no additional cost to you, of course. But I'm still going to give you my honest opinion, so I will strive to give you a balanced and honest video so you can make the most informed decision possible for yourself. Okay, so what business model do I use? So it's a business model called high-ticket affiliate marketing. So that is a business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. What I like about it is there's no need to create your own product, no need to handle customer service, no need to keep stock, no need to hire staff. You can do this part-time or full-time. You can work from anywhere in the world. There's very low startup costs. You can work anytime you want. You can use this to quit your miserable 9-to-5 job, you can create passive income for yourself, and most importantly, you can create time and financial freedom to do all the things in life that you love. So what exact method do I use? Okay, so first, I become an affiliate. So I register for a high-ticket affiliate program that's selling a product that is high in quality, would potentially sell well, and would benefit my audience. Next, I make a funnel, so I sign up for an online service that creates a lead magnet, a landing page, and an email sequence for me. When combined, this gives me a funnel, aka an enticing website that my prospects can go to get a free gift and receive daily emails advertising my affiliate products. Next, I make review videos, so I find products competing against the affiliate products I'm selling and create a video review about them. I do a full rundown of the product and give my honest opinion. At the end, I tell my audience about the free gift I'm offering and encourage them to visit my funnel. Next, prospects find my videos. So, potential prospects find my videos on YouTube and watch my product review. I do not have to pay for prospects to find my videos, so this traffic is free. Next, I make money. So after watching my video, my prospects go to my website, get their free gift, and enter my email sequence. Over time, they read the emails advertising my products and buy them, meaning I make money. Okay, that sounds great, but who taught me this method? So I had a mentor. A while back, I took a chance on a paid coaching program that taught me the video review method. This was ultimately the program that I found success in and how I make money to this very day. Are you interested in the program? So if you are interested in the program, you can learn more and purchase the program from the link in the pinned comment below. Just a warning though, clear your cookies. Make sure to clear the cookies in your browser before clicking my link, otherwise it may not work properly. If you don't know how to do that, I will also have instructions in the pinned comment as well. Okay, that's all great and everything, but what if you're not interested in a paid coaching program at the moment? are there any other alternatives? And I would say yes. So I have a free gift for you. And that free gift, it's a free online course. You can get my free online course from the link in the pinned comment below, and it'll teach you everything you need to get started as well. Alright, thank you so much. I'm Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures. This has been my presentation, How to Make Money Online with No Experience Needed. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more future content, and don't forget about my free gift in the pinned comment below. But that's all from me today. Thank you for watching. You take care. Have a great day.